We're excited to announce a new service here at Traverse Area District Library. It's Creativebug. To access this service, go to the Research tab and choose All Digital Resources. Click on that and then go down and choose Hobbies and Crafts. Click Apply, and then you'll see Creativebug as the first one, so click View Resource. The screen will come up and you'll see a chance to put in your information to sign up for an account. You'll only have to do this once. It will take you into the service and you'll get a chance to see what's all available. You can view all classes and scroll down. You can see things that they've picked for you. You can go up to classes at the top, look at all classes. You can search by subject. Click on it to see what it's about. You can add it to your watch list. If you scroll down, there's all types of classes on all different subjects. These are all video tutorials. They tell you how long they are. Gives you a chance to add it to your watch list. There's baking. So I put that into the search bar to see what's under baking. You can always click Load More for some more choices. Down below, if you scroll, it tells you what you need to have on hand for the tutorial. Some are short, some are long. You'll see with the baking section, there's some of the Wilton classes in there. So that's the quick tour of Creativebug. We hope that you look around at all the different types of classes. There's art, there's drawing, there's journaling, there's knitting, crochet, many, many things. So we hope that you enjoy this new service and that you make a lot of great things.